tutorial, we will explore how to use RVA analysis with IHA software to determine inflow for Teesta River. Let's get started. First step is to ensure the data is in correct format. In your Excel file, column 1 contained date data, and the format is month/date/year. We have got this format from IHA software manual. And column 2 should have the discharge data in meter cube per second unit. Then save your Excel file as CSV file. That means comma separated value format. Then open IHA software and press for OK and set the working directory. Select any folder as your working directory. Step 3, importing data. Click on import data option and select your comma separated value file. Make sure you close the Excel file before importing, otherwise you will get an error message from IHA. Remove this Excel file. If any missing data has, use -1 as the placeholder. Save the hydro data file. Copy and paste. IHA project, start new project. Okay. Paste that you copied before. Analysis list, new analysis. Use the result. Next. Paste again. Next. Compare to period. Step 4, defining pre and post period. Drag and select the periods based on river conditions. For example, if a barrage or dam or any other obstruction is created or constructed over the river during this lifetime, separate the data accordingly. Next, parametric and non-parametric analysis. Step 5, for RVA analysis, use non-parametric method is preferred. If we use parametric method, then we need apply certain modification. Run analysis, view results. View table. Use RVA table or refer to the graph generated by IHA software to determine RVA or range of variable approaches. This is the lower value for every month, and the right one is the upper value for any month to determine range of variability approaches. So this RVA range we get from a table. You can also determine this from a graph. For graph view analysis, new graph. Show RVA boundaries. Show hydrologic alteration for any month. The upper line on the graph represent the high RVA values, and while the lower line represents the low RVA ranges. This is the same value we got previously from a RVA table. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.